Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to BMO US Account. This tutorial will walk you through the process of opening and managing a BMO US account. To start, BMO stands for Bank of Montreal, a Canadian bank that offers US dollar banking services to its customers. A BMO US account allows you to hold and manage US dollars, making it ideal for individuals who frequently travel to the US, buy goods from U.S. retailers, or invest in U.S. stocks. To open a BMO US account, you will need to visit a BMO branch, bring required documents such as a valid government-issued ID and proof of address, and fill out the application form. You can also apply online, but you will still need to provide the required documents. Once your account is open, you will receive a BMO US debit card and checks. One of the key benefits of a BMO US account is that it allows you to avoid foreign exchange fees when making purchases in US dollars. You can also use your BMO US debit card to withdraw cash from ATMs in the US without incurring any foreign transaction fees. Additionally, you can use online banking to manage your account, pay bills, and transfer funds between your BMO US account and your Canadian dollar account. To fund your BMO US account, you can transfer funds from your Canadian dollar account, deposit US cash or checks, or set up direct deposit. You can also use your BMO US account to receive payments from US sources, such as a US employer or a US-based business. It is essential to note that BMO US accounts are subject to US tax reporting requirements, and you may need to file additional tax forms with the US Internal Revenue Service. You should consult with a tax professional to ensure you are meeting all the necessary tax requirements. In conclusion, a BMO US account is a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your US dollar transactions. By following these steps and understanding the benefits and requirements of a BMO US account, you can take advantage of the many benefits it has to offer. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your account, and consult with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns.